Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to announce the winners of my giveaway. Now, I had a giveaway on my YouTube channel, I had a giveaway on my Facebook page, and I had a giveaway on my Instagram page as well, and all three ended today, and I've picked winners, and yeah, so I'm going to announce them all in this video. So for my YouTube giveaway, it was to win Alchemy Gothic jewellery from Apollo, which is stunning. It's in here. It was an earrings and necklace set. I'll just show you the pictures because I don't want to open up the wrapping because I want the winner to open it up. But that's what they look like there. So that's the necklace, and there you go. So both of them together came to about $90. So I don't know what that is in UK pounds, but I have a winner, and it was picked using a random generator comment picker type thing online, and the winner is Natural Redheads 73. So congratulations, honey, you've won the jewellery, woo! So I'll be in touch with you if you've got your, you've got your Instagram down there. I'll be in touch with you on Instagram, and I'll be sending them out in the next week. So yeah, congratulations. Thank you so much to all of you that entered as well. It really means a lot. And yeah, look out for more giveaways in the future. I have got quite a few little giveaways lined up. So on to my Facebook giveaway, which was to win the sold out glossy box, the December glossy box. So so again, I'm not opening it up because I want the winner to open it up so that it just feels a little bit more special. But inside they win all these goodies here. I'm not sure if you can see. So yeah, so a really nice box, gorgeous keepsake box. And if you're not already on my Facebook page and you want to be, it's just over 40 something. So the winner of my Facebook giveaway to win the glossy box is Maria Lorena Berdin Navarro. I think I pronounced that right, I'm so sorry. But there you go. Random generator picker. This took me a while actually to sort out. Oh my word, YouTube is easy. I know that, I've done that a few times, but I've never done an Instagram giveaway or a Facebook Instagram giveaway, and I couldn't work out how to actually get the post up to get the comments, because what you do, you have to copy and paste the URL. Did I say that right? I can remember. And put it into the search thing, and then it comes up with all the comments, and then you click on pick winner, and then it randomly picks someone. But I know now, because I'm on Look Fantastic and Glossy Box's PR list, plus I keep my subscription running with them, because I don't know how long these PR, goodies will be sent to me. They could finish next month, so I'm going to keep my subscription running. But any boxes I receive that are extra boxes, and I haven't got any birthdays or anything coming up like that, I will put them up for giveaways. I think for my glossy box and my Look Fantastic, I'll tend to put them up on my Facebook page and my Instagram. So I will link them down below. I'll put it in the pinned post. It's always in my description. If you scroll right the way down my description in all my videos, it's got follow me, and it's got my Twitter, which I hardly use to be honest, but then it's got my Instagram and it's got my Facebook links. So for my Instagram giveaway, it's to win a Look Fantastic December box. Now, this is beautiful again, lovely box. So inside you've got the little booklet, you've got the magazine, and you've got all the goodies there as well, which again I'm not going to be opening up. So the winner of my Instagram giveaway is Nicole Macoon. I think that's how you pronounce it. So there you go. So congratulations to Nicole as well. And I'm not sure if I said congratulations to Maria. Congratulations, Maria, who won my Facebook one. So congratulations to all three of you. All three of you. I'll be getting in touch with you and asking you for your address so that I can send these items out to you. If I don't hear anything within a week from now, then I will be rolling it over and picking someone else. So the three winners have got a week to reply back to me, but really excited. So thank you so much for everyone that entered. Just 1, 2 or 3 of the giveaways. Really appreciated the support and the sharing as well, which is amazing. I hope you have a lovely Saturday evening. I'm off now to have some non-alcoholic cider my husband has bought me because I'm alcohol free. So I don't know what that's like. Probably like pop, I don't know. Be nice though. Nice thought. So I've got to be nice to him because it's a nice thought. So I'm looking forward to trying that. But yeah, and then chilling out. So look out for future giveaways in the near future. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.